Okay, alright, welcome to another session. So now from this one, on this session, we are going to be learning what each of these stuffs mean. We've talked about where is this guy again? We talked about the text too, we talked about the image and shape too. Now this third one here is for this guy here. This one here is for backgrounds. Do you understand? If you want to use a particular background, let me show you what I mean. If you tap on it now, you're going to see whether you want your background to be one color or the other. If you want it to be transparent, like if you want to export your image on PNG. Now the size also, the background size. If you are different, there are different what is it called here? There are different sizes for different projects. Do you understand? So if you tap on that custom, you're going to see different ones like Twitter header size, Facebook cover art, and the rest. And again, if what you are doing, they call how do I say it now? The aspect ratio is not here or the size is not here. You can actually use your hand to type it manually. Do you understand? So that is that for that. Assuming there is image, you crop it. Then, if for your background, if you want to use a particular image, this image right here is not on your own. This one right here is not the one on your phone. Let me tap on it and show you what I mean. You understand? These are the what is it called now? These are the Pixellab presets. If you are, it depends on the one you are using. They have different backgrounds for different Pixellab. Do you understand? Now, if you want to import your background from your gallery, this is where you get it from. Do you understand? This is where you get it from. I'm just going to use anyone here. Okay, say you want to use this one. Good. So this is how. So automatically it conforms to the size of the what is it called again? Of the background you are using. Do you understand? If I'm using another background that is different from this one, it's conformed automatically to that size. Do you understand? And then we have another one again from camera. You know what this one is, but it's not really useful because most times you don't use it from camera. Do you understand? Okay, so now another one. I forgot to talk about this in the first this thing. This tool right here. Let me show you what I mean. Oh, sorry. This tool here. I did not remember to talk about it, so let's get onto it. This one is where you see your project. Where you see your project, like these are some of my projects that I've worked on. It's going to load it now. Okay, so these are the projects I've worked on my Pixellab account, on my Pixellab rather. So they are so numerous. You understand? They are so numerous. These are the projects I've worked on. So if you want to go to any of your projects that you worked on, let me tap on this. Yeah, I think this should be. Look at it now. If I told some people that I use Pixellab for this, they will be saying, how did you get it? How did you get it? It is only creativity you need. Do you understand? This is only creativity you need. Now, if you want to use any of these presets, do you understand? This one comes with this Pixellab. You understand? It comes with it. It comes with the Pixellab. Do you understand? It comes with it. So this one are for presets. If you want to edit this preset and everything else, do you understand? So this is what this thing is for. And then if you want to go to your project, do you understand? If you want to go to your project, this is slow because I'm using X recorder, blah blah blah. So this is one of this thing I've worked on. And also the last one for this session is this. Okay, wait, there's still time. I could make it 10 minutes. Alright. So the last one is this guy right here. This guy right here. This one is for the this is working with the background. If you import anything to your background, let me say you import anything and you want to edit it. Yes, you want to edit it a bit. So now let me remove this. If you want to edit it, you have vignettes. You understand? It only works for your background. It only works for your background. If you want to add noise to it, this is grain. You understand? If you want to add grain to it, let me remove this noise. You understand? If you want to add grain or noise, if you want to add stripes, do you see now? If you want to add stripes to it, and you can even make it tinier, do you understand? So if you want to add feedback, if you want to add stripes, the brightness of your stuff, you see now, the brightness of your background, it only works with the background. Do you understand? Okay, so the contrast also, the hue, I told you not to touch it unless because it spoils and this thing. This is saturation. We all know what saturation is, to make it whether bluish or orange, yellowish or something like that. Sure. Alright, so let me remove those ones that I put. Let me remove this. Let me remove the noise also, so we can get the vignettes. You can actually tweak it to your own thing. You can reduce the alpha. It is useful in some cases too. You can change the color. You can change. You get what I mean. So, but we are not going there today. Alright, so this is it. I think I should just talk about the ones that are up also, because I think we still have 6 minutes. We are just 6 minutes in. Let me just use this medium to explain the ones that are up. Now you see the icons up here. Let's go with this first one, and that's this first one. Sorry. So this first one is talking about if you want to add either text, shape, or this thing. Let me tap on. Let me show what I mean. Oh, sorry. Cancel. Sorry. So this one is talking if you want to add text, if you want to add the current date, if you want to add stickers, if you want to add shapes, if you want to add anything from your gallery or you want to draw. Do you understand? This is that is the function of this. That is the function of this guy right here. The one I tapped on. Do you understand? Okay. So the next thing here is this icon. Sorry. Okay, I think I should don't even remove this thing again. The one here is this icon. This one is for saving. You understand? If you are through with your work, let's say I'm through with this guy right here, and I want to save it, I'll just tap on it. Save as project, save changes, or save as image. If I tap as save as image, you will see which format do I want to use. This one is the quick share. We are not going there. Then the dimension, the quality dimension, make sure it is always in ultra so that you get you get a wonderful work. Do you understand? Then after that, then you tap on save to gallery. Do you understand? It renders the image and then save. Alright, so the next icon here is the share button, as you can see. So the next one is the share icon here. You know what share icon is. I don't need to emphasize on that. And then the next one also So for the next one we have this one. This one is for quotes. There are quotes that follows each Pixellab app. So if I tap on it now, you are going to see different quotes. This one is for motivation. Do you understand now? This quote here. If I tap on any of this, I can use either English or French, but I'm using English. So if I tap on this one now, you have for success, you have for friendship, happiness, and everything that you understand now. So that is what that icon is for. So let's go back to the main thing. So now also we have this icon here. This one is many things. Like use image from gallery if you want to have your full screen, if you want to view what you are doing very well. If you want to use image from camera, maybe anything like that, you want to export your image, like saving it, the image size you can actually use changes from here also. Tutorials, this one is from from their website. Then the contact us and everything. Remove ads, you don't need it. Recover autosave, this one also is very important because sometimes you may make a mistake and then you can't go back again. You just tap on recover autosave, so it will give you the time anyone you feel like you want to recover, you understand. So that is what, let's say I tap on this guy right here, you not yeah, yeah. Of course it will bring the confirmation button. Are you sure you want to recover the autosave, this thing, blah blah blah. I can say cancel, but if I do want it, I will say yes. Now this other one right here, where is this guy? So this other one right here is the layers. Do you understand? Let me show you. This is the layers I used. Do you understand? It's the layers I used. Can you see now? All the layers I used. Now this one is for grading, and it is very important. This guy right here. If you want to have a balanced and aligned work, you need to use it. It is very important. It is very important. Can you see? So and actually you can move any one of it like this. Now you can move it to check whether your work are actually aligned. Do you understand? Whether they are actually in a straight line. Sometimes it may, we have different type of alignment. We have the top, we have bottom, we have left, we have right. It is used to check any of those. Do you understand? Grading works very well, and if you are using all this grading format, you will actually get good results in terms of alignment. Do you understand? Now this one is to how do I say it now? Is it to expand or to enlarge? Yes, to enlarge your workspace so that you can see what you are doing perfectly. Do you understand? And then the last one here is the back button. It's like Control Z. When you're working with what do I call it? Microsoft Word. Undo. This is the undo button. Unfortunately for Pixellab, we don't have redo button, which is actually very helpful. But we don't have redo button in Pixellab. It is only undo button we have. So anytime you make a mistake, you just need to tap on it, then you go back to what am I saying? You go back to the other thing. But you see now I have undone this thing. So I've gone back and everything. So that is just the main thing about graphics, designing graphics on Pixellab. Do you understand? These are the main things you need. So these are all the things you need. You can use on Pixellab. I made sure that the time is already 30 minutes. But I think you should grab everything now by my simple explanation, I guess. And if it's not simple enough, you can always come to my DM to ask questions and then make inquiries about the app if you don't understand anything. Thank you for your time. God bless you.